This video is for educational purposes only. We do not encourage, nor condone any of these activities. Match fixing is staging a competitive event, usually in organized sports with a predetermined outcome, often associated with gambling. But how do dark web match fixing work? And is it legit? If you don't want to miss the answer, stick around. If you are new around here, make sure to subscribe with notifications on, so you do not miss any of our new videos. Also, feel free to follow us on social media, links in the description box down below. Dark web fixed matches refer to matches where the outcome has been predetermined, typically for the purpose of illegal sports betting. These matches are not openly advertised on mainstream sports platforms. Instead, they are hidden away in the depths of the dark web. That way they are only accessible to those with the right connections and knowledge of where to look. It estimated that the global annual criminal proceeds from betting-related match fixing were €120 million. And the size of the global betting market for all sports is estimated to be €1.69 trillion per year. To understand dark web fixed matches, it's essential to grasp how they work. Match fixers rely often on bribing players, coaches, or referees. This manipulation can include influencing the final score, the number of goals, or even specific in-game events like penalties or red cards. These fixes are carefully orchestrated to ensure that the outcome aligns with the interests of the illegal betting syndicates. The dark web serves as a sanctuary for those looking to place bets on fixed matches. Here anonymity is prized, and transactions are conducted using cryptocurrencies, making it challenging for authorities to track or regulate these activities. Laws surrounding sports betting vary, but the majority of jurisdictions consider match fixing a criminal offense. It's worth to mention that the majority of the so-called dark web match fixers are scammers. They claim to provide genuine tips and accurate score predictions, and are often able to get few selections right to make their offerings seem legit. However, their methods for coming up with scores have nothing to do with real insider access or match fixing. They use tricks like predict unlikely underdog wins, or scorelines underdog win, as or surprising scorelines, get more attention and seem more impressive. Even if they're really just long shots that landed by chance, focusing on shockers, trick subscribers into perceiving the tipster as insightful. Others don't actually predict anything at all, they simply fabricate match details, scores and outcomes after the matches ended, to make it seem like they knew all along, in order to trick new subscribers into believing they had real insight or connections. The most common one is after receiving payment, they send you the same info you will find on betting sites, with the same odds of win. They will exploit these vulnerabilities to extract victims' money. Some degree of ignorance will always be the root of a bettor's misery.